What's up guys, it's your boy Andre. We're back here again at the Harley Davidson studio, and today I'm going to show you all about one of our best sellers, the Capstone Sunshield 2 H31 Modular Helmet. This helmet has a sleek modular design with the flip-up chin and drop-down sunshield, and it's finished in a beautiful gloss Reef Blue with our most iconic Harley Davidson logo on the back. The exterior construction is made of a lightweight polycarbonate composite shell using advanced CAD technology. So not only is this helmet lightweight, it's extremely comfortable and provides an excellent fit. You'll stay cool with its moisture-wicking interior, 2 intake vents, and 1 exhaust vent. The helmet is secured with a double D ring strap. The interior features crown and cheek pads, which are removable and washable, as well as integrated grooves to comfortably fit eyeglasses and sunglasses. Shield replacement is super easy with the RapidFire Shield Replacement System. The shield ratchet system allows for toolless installation and removal. The anti-fog lens provides 99% UV protection. One of the standout features on this helmet is the integrated black dark smoke sunshield. It's easily deployable with the new wire operation system and easy to reach lever. Additionally, the helmet is compatible with the smart HGC comm system and includes Bluetooth communication speaker pockets. Bluetooth device is sold separately. The Capstone Sunshield 2 H31 Modular Helmet is available in sizes ranging from extra small to 2XL. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Malama Pono. We'll catch you next time.